Hi guys, this is Kelly with Southwest Blinds and Shutters here in Arizona. I wanted to give you guys a little bit of a tip in regards to shutter warranty. So a lot of people say, oh, I've got a lifetime warranty, I've got a limited lifetime warranty, this and that. So, but I wanted to make a distinction. So there is a product warranty that is provided to us or you as the consumer by the manufacturer. And that manufacturer has, they have certain limitations, things like that. And, that's the limited part, right? And so they have different smaller expiration dates for how long things last. Then on the other side of it is like, okay, the company like Southwest Blinds, right? Like we are the ones that are doing all the measuring. We are doing, we're doing the design work with you. We're doing the ordering. We're scheduling the install. We're doing the install. So, but then what happens if you need to exercise that warranty? Say you've got an issue and you need to have it fixed. You would be calling us, but what about the labor cost? So it costs, every company out there costs them money to send a guy to your house. So who's going to cover that cost? In the industry, most companies do maybe a 1-year warranty on labor, service and labor. As soon as that time period expires, then you're basically having to cover the labor cost of having something fixed. And let me just give you an idea of how much that would cost. So let's say that shutter louver was broken. So say there was a defect, the shutter louver broke, they need to come and fix it. So first they're going to send a guy out to evaluate. Average trip charge is going to cost you about $150. So, okay, that's $150 just for them to take a look. Okay. So, all right, then he's going to measure the louver and then get it ordered. Okay. There's some shipping costs. And then there's also the additional cost for them to come down and put it back. So that's another $150. So all in all, you're probably going to spend about $300 just to replace one of these louvers. At Southwest Blinds and Shutters, we do a lifetime service and labor guarantee on all of our shutters. And so what that means to you is that if you ever have a warranty issue, the manufacturer covers the product cost. So if we need to replace a louver or we need to replace the entire shutter, manufacturer is going to cover that cost. We are going to cover all of your labor costs. And so we're coming out to do the evaluation, we're coming back to the install, whatever it is, we're going to be covering the cost of that for as long as you're on call. And so that's a significant difference. Basically what we're trying to convey to you is that we stand behind the products that we sell. And so we're going to be there to take care of them if we ever have an issue. But really the point is that the products that we sell and that we install, we expect you never to have a problem. That's why we offer a lifetime warranty and a lifetime service and labor guarantee. It's because we really expect you never to have a problem. But in the rare chance that you do, we're going to be there to take care of it for you.